Hello and welcome everyone. Today you will see how you can use the RSC Magic Tool in one step to design and prepare the resources and rules and then import them directly to Primavera from Excel. Let us start with our example. The RSC Magic Tool has two sheets, one for the resources and the other for the rules. It's free to draw your resources dictionary and your rules dictionary. For example, let us start with these resources. We have engineers, and then foremen, and then laborers, and then equipment, and these resources for materials. This is our example. You are free to draw your diagram according to your project requirements, but don't leave any column blank and don't leave any row blank. Each row has only one resources. The same rules can be applied in the rules dictionary. These are our rules today. These for engineers, and then foremen, and then laborers. These are our rules today. Now you can export the resources and rules as table, charts, PDF, or directly to Primavera. If you would like to complete the information of these resources and rules, all you need is to select these two options, this to prepare the resources table and this option to prepare the rules table. Let us prepare the resources table from this option. Now we have one new resources sheet, and then for rules we will prepare it from this option, and also now we have a new sheet for the rules. The resources sheet has three tables. The first one for the resources and their information, and the second table for the resources and their rates, and the last one, the third table, for the resources rules assignments. We will fill in all of this information in few minutes and then export them directly to Primavera. In the rules table, in the rules sheet, we have two tables. The first one for the rules and their information, and the second one for the rules of the rules, the maximum units, and the effective dates. Let us fill in this data. As you see from the RSC Magic Tool, it has prepared the resources and the IDs of the resources automatically, and it has used this suffix. You can change it from this option, and also when we start with labor type. All resources have been considered as labor. You can change the resource table from this option, and the RSC Magic Tool has these options, as you see here, to change the resource type. For example, we need to change this resource to non-labor, and this for material, and also these resources will be changed also non-labor, and these for materials. As you see, it's very fast to change the resource type, and all changes you need to change the resource type will be done automatically from the RSC Magic Tool. The resource table will start with RL, and the non-labor will start with RE, and for the materials the resource ID will start with RAM, and this suffix from this number, and you can change it as you like. Now you can complete all of these information, but we will complete only the necessary information to export the file to Primavera. Here, as you see, the RSC Magic Tool has prepared two extra columns, one for the number of rates and the other for the rules. For example, for for all of these resources, it will be only one rate, and for the rules, it will be only one rule. You can change these numbers. For example, let us say that for this person we have two rates, and for this person let us have two rules only. For example, you can change this according to your needs, and you can fill in these tables automatically by using the options in the RSC Magic Tool. For example, to complete this table with the resources, you can select this option, resources rates, as you see. Now we have all resources, and for this one, as you see, we have two rates. We can complete this information. For example, for the maximum units, let us use this number only, for example, and you can complete this information as you like. For example, for the effective date, for example, let us use this effective date and copy and then paste. Okay, it's very fast to prepare the resources and the rules. For the standard rate, let us use this rate only, for example, complete. Okay, and for this person we will use another rate, and the effective date will be this date only, for example. And now for the rules, let us complete the names here by using this option. Okay, as you see, we have now all resources in this table, but we need not this. You can use these two options to insert any records or delete any records, and this option should be used because the other two tables will not be affected. For example, we will remove this record, and this we will start the rules with this person, and we have two rules for this person when we change the number from 1 to 2. And for these resources we have no rules. We will delete them. As you see, we delete them from this table only. The other two tables have not be affected. And now we will go to the rules tables. As you see, we have only one change in the maximum units. We can select another numbers, and you can also fill in this table automatically by using this option for the rules limits, for example. Okay, now we have the all of the names of the rules, and for the maximum units let us use this number, for example. Okay, and then paste. And for the effective date, let us use this effective date for all of these rules. Okay, and these are rules. We will remove these rules for engineers. Let us remove this, and this. We will start with the project manager, and now we can copy these rules from here and paste them here. Okay, and we have two rules for this person. We will insert here one extra record. Okay, and we will use this rule. Okay, now we have two rules for this person. As you see, in a few minutes we have completed the information, and we will export this data to Primavera directly. let us use this option. You can use this option to export the resources, and this for roles and this for resources and rules. We will use this option. Okay. Now the resources and rules are ready to be imported to Primavera from this file. Before we go to Primavera, I would like to add some notes. When you would like to insert new resources, you can use this option. For example, you can insert any record by using this option, and also you can delete any record by using this option. The advantage of using these two options from the RSC Magic Tool, when you remove one resource, the RSC Magic Tool will remove its rules and also its rates, and this cannot be done by Excel, but by using the RSC Magic Tool you can delete the all relationships of the resource when you delete it from this option. Now we will go to Primavera and import this file. Okay, we'll import it as a resource. Okay, we will select our file. This is our file. Okay, next, finish. The resources and roles, as you see, have been imported to Primavera. These are our resources which we have prepared in Primavera. As you see, for this resource we have two rates, one from April and the other from October. As you see, the first one 15 and the other one 13, exactly as we have prepared in Primavera. And these are our resources, and these are the equipments, and then the materials. For the roles, as you see, all rules have been imported. These are rules that we have prepared in Excel. As you see, in a few minutes we have prepared the resources and rules and their rates, and also the resources rules assignments, and import them directly to Primavera. Until we meet in the next videos, thank you and goodbye.